What's going on, everybody? So, first full week of April. Last week it was like the end of March into April. Now we're in the second week, I guess. First full week. So this is the second week of April. Mowing is going full time, 5 days a week. Hopefully we can get that done early and then help out with landscaping on Fridays. But we got mowing Monday through Friday from here on out. Landscaping Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and then we all cut Wednesdays and Thursdays together, and then Saturday, Sunday. It is 6 to 7 days a week from now until Memorial Day weekend at least, and then we go down to 5 to 6 through the summer. But rolling out on mulch. Just loaded this puppy up yesterday. Well, not fully loaded. We got probably 4 yards of black in here. Covered it up from the rain. Can't really see it. So we got a lot of small mulch jobs. I mean, the biggest house we do is probably like 13 yards, and that's really not much compared to what other people do. But gosh, we got mowing guys out Monday through Friday. Guys starting our full maintenance properties where they're trimming every week, pulling weeds every week. And in the middle of all that, we gotta figure out how to get, 500 some yards of mulch done from now to Memorial Day. So got some content. Hopefully I'll get some, and yeah, stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a good week. So guys, that's about it for the week. Again, mowing, mulching, same thing's gonna come Monday. A lot of small mulch jobs from here on out, couple big ones. When I mean big, like 10, 12 yards, maybe one, and then the rest are like 5 and less. We don't have big properties, you know, we're island only, so a lot of small stuff. But guys, that's the week. Lots of mowing, lots of mulch. We still got, gosh, maybe 1,000 yards of mulch to do before Memorial Day weekend. It is what it is, right? But thanks for watching, guys.